Please turn your sound on to hear full explanations of our answers. Thank you. Question is, what is the best Forex trading course that I can buy? And my answer to you is, listen, it's not just one course, okay? Because there are a lot of courses out there. There are some that are just ordinary books. There are some that are like several $1,000s, which are like distance learning webinars and classes and stuff like that. You know, but just because one is way more expensive doesn't mean that it's actually any better. If you're just starting out and you want a course because you just want something structured, a good plan to follow that's going to get you up to speed as quickly as possible, then please listen to me. This is what I suggest to you, okay? First of all, I want you to buy a book called Market Wizards. It's a classic now. It's about maybe 15 years old. It's interviews with some of the top traders around the world and what their methodology is, and that's basically what it's about. And it's a great read. It's the best way for anyone to start getting into Forex, because it covers some amazing fundamental topics which a lot of beginner traders gloss over, never get to grips with, always end up making tons of mistakes, never become profitable, all because they didn't get the basics right. So the great thing about this Market Wizards book is you get those basics from interviews with some of the biggest traders around the world, and it's really easy to read too, okay? It's because it's just conversational interview format. So Market Wizards, look out for that. There's also a follow-up, by the way, called New Market Wizards, and that is also pretty good too. It was done a few years after Market Wizards. Really good. Exactly the same kind of style book, and I think he actually even followed up with some of the same traders, but it's mostly new traders. So Market Wizards and New Market Wizards, check it out. And the second thing I think you should do is start off with a good starter strategy. The thing is, a lot of people always say, you know, a lot of beginners, what is the best strategy? And you know, it doesn't work like that, Forex. Any strategy can work if you apply it properly, if you test it, tweak it, adapt it, make it your own, you know, adapt it to your own needs and your own style. It's kind of like a glove. If you imagine a one-size-fits-all glove that fits anybody, but then over time, after you wash it a few times, it gradually starts to fit your hand much better, okay? It wears in, it beds in, a bit like a shoe in a way. And that is what Forex strategies are about. And it's worth having a good starter strategy, because without it, you'll be kind of directionless and you won't really get into the swing of things. So that's why I recommend it. And on that note, look, I want to recommend, for a good starter strategy, there's a great hybrid strategy that you can use. It's by a guy called Vladimir. He's one of the best traders around, and he's helped thousands of other traders, many of whom have had problems in the past, by giving them this hybrid strategy. And you use this hybrid strategy just to start off with. Look, this is not the perfect strategy, right? This strategy is not going to make you a millionaire. But what it will do is it'll stop you making many of the common mistakes that a lot of guys in Forex make. So I strongly suggest that you use this hybrid strategy, get to grips with it, then start to tweak it and tailor it for your own needs and style. And then after that, theoretically, the sky's the limit, as long as you keep yourself disciplined, you keep learning about Forex, don't let emotions affect your trading, etc. But this is a great starting point. So please have a look, click on the link in the description box down below, and you'll be able to learn more about this Vladimir's hybrid strategy. And I'll see you soon in another video. Take care.